begin, cut this tape, if present. Disengage the two side springs. Open one of the lateral edges to release the post-engaging toner section and drum section together. Pull the toner section out. Using a small screwdriver, release the E-ring from the side where the small drum gear is located. Remove the drum shaft. Remove the drum. The drum is probably reusable. Look for wear, check for nicks, then clean the drum with isopropyl alcohol. Do not lose the spring. The purpose of the spring is to keep the drum from rotating backwards. For more information on how to clean a drum, click here. Unscrew the two screws at both ends of the wiper blade. Remove the wiper blade by holding the laser shutter open. If present, cut the tape on the top of the blade. Probably, it's not necessary to change the wiper blade. Be careful not to damage the recovery blade that is located next to the wiper blade. The recovery blade right up against the drum and prevent excess toner from falling out of waste hopper. Remove the encoder wheel using a screwdriver. Remove the drive gear of the developer cylinder. If present, remove the tape over the metal blade. Remove the metal blade that holds down the doctor bar. Remove the developer rotor metal bushing by prying it up first. Remove the developer cylinder. Do not lose the spacing washers at each end. Remove the doctor bar. In some cartridge models, the doctor blade is glued, so it's not possible to remove it. In this case, you can let the blade in place. Be careful not to damage the contact on the left side. Remove the fill plug. Clean out all the remaining toner from the cartridge. It's better to use compressed air. If possible, use a toner workstation. Getting all the old toner out is very important. The toner left in the cartridge is mostly waste toner. And if you have two different types of toners in the cartridge at the same time, the quality will be compromised. You can also clean the cartridge at open air. The best you clean the cartridge, the best quality it'll have. Do not breathe the toner dust. Check the foam roller for hardness and voids in the sponge material. Be careful not to damage the inner and outer retaining mylar blades. Clean the developer cylinder with isopropyl alcohol. It carries the toner from the supply chamber to the drum. The developer cylinder must be soft and with no lines or defects. Clean the edge of the Dr. blade with isopropyl alcohol so there's no evidence of toner buildup. If any buildup exists, the cartridge will streak. If the blade has a heavy buildup of toner on it, clean it with acetone. The Dr. blade controls the amount of toner on the developer roller. Clean the rubber seal with alcohol. If removed, reinstall the Dr. blade. Install the developer cylinder. The key dent is on the right side. Install the bushing onto the developer cylinder shaft, turning it so that the tab is facing down. Install the metal blade. Fill the cartridge with the adequate quantity of toner. Each cartridge has its own gram load. The amount of toner that can be placed in the cartridge is controlled by the chip and by the encoder wheel. Do not put more toner or the cartridge will show an error message. A good Lexmark toner will work in all Lexmark Optra T cartridges. Install the fill plug and check for leaks. Install the encoder wheel. Clean the wiper blade with isopropyl alcohol. Lubricate the edge of the wiper blade with some toner. Install the wiper blade and its 2 screws. This type of cartridge is a chip. The chip is a page counter and has to be replaced each cycle. Remove the old chip. Install the new chip. The chips are divided by world regions, so ensure you buy the correct chip for your country. Lubricate the drum with toner, or the wiper blade may damage it. Replace the drum. Slide the drum axle in. Insert the earring. Turn the drum by hand several times to make sure it doesn't flip the blade. Insert first the left side of the toner section. Ensure the proper lining of the post below, as well as the white bearing inside. Insert the 2 springs to their respective posts. Insert the drive gear. And the work is done.